got that 7-minute pace above the head.
All right, we are running a trail half marathon in late February. It is muddy and really icy, but filming on the GoPro Hero 9 with the max lens mod, so hyper smooth, horizon leveling, all those features are on. So check this out. So we are 3 miles in. The course is in gnarly shape, very muddy, a ton of water everywhere, and trail. But excited to be done. Maybe head over to Carmel, get some Jack's Donuts. That sounds like a good treat after running. I think that sounds pretty good. We'll see you later. We are right next to the finish line. That was gnarly. A long run, just because of the conditions, but absolutely fun. I am covered in mud and super wet feet, and yeah, absolute fun time. But heading to the finish line. Winter Trail Frosty, WTF, that's what I'm thinking running this. So super fun race, heading to the finish. Thanks guys.
Good job.
Check this out. That is sweet. That is let me get away from everybody. It was hard to breathe that on. This is like seriously like a chain. Oh, you can see, I bet this thing weighs like 3 pounds. Super cool metal. Yeah, that's awesome.